Let's look at how to inspect and grease your linkage pins. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Be sure to check pins and joints during your daily walk-around. You're looking for damage to bolts, washers, plates, and zerks. Check around joints and pins for leaks, rust, or grease buildup. If you notice parts are missing, replace them immediately. And if equipped with auto lube, make sure those lines are not damaged. When operating your equipment, listen for unusual sounds. Squeaky joints may not be properly greased, so you'll want to find and correct the problem. Grease regularly to help parts move smoothly and to purge contaminants from the joint. To get started, place your implement on the ground so you can work safely. Grab your grease gun and a shop towel for cleaning off the zerks. Cat Prime application grease is usually best, but consult your cat dealer if you're working in severe applications. Now you can pump in grease until it begins to emerge from the pin joint. Your OMM lists greasing locations and intervals. There's also a helpful decal on your equipment. This racetrack chart shows pin location. For more information and support, contact your cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.